I'm going to France. Hey Luna.
Hi.
How was your Taco Bell?
What?
Your Taco Bell. How was your Taco Bell? How was your Taco Bell?
How's me?
네 Taco Bell 어땠어? 어땠냐고.
아, 나도 how talk about 이런 거.
Taco Bell. It doesn't seem like you.
Really salty. 생얼. 이거 뭐야? 온스타일이야?
내 프로야.
What?
Look at this.
Welcome to Paris.
That's our manager's name.
Yeah?
That's him.
Shaking. Welcome to Bali.
Yes, boss.
My auntie was holding me the whole time. Look at the security. She was holding me the whole time. 박선영.
Oh.
Luna almost forgot her bag, and I saved her life. She owes me $12. Okay, so we're getting our luggage, and we see these beautiful people. They're singing her song.
Yeah.
Free somebody.
Yeah.
Free somebody. Free somebody.
Yeah.
'Cause
My song.
it's your song.
Right.
Your
Yeah.
song.
With somebody.
Sexy song.
Oh, sexy?
Yeah, it's very
Right?
sexy.
Yeah, right.
I wanna free somebody. Na 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 na
Hey,
na.
yeah.
I'm in Paris. So, one thing that I love about my job is the traveling. I'm in Paris. I'm in Paris because of my job. That's awesome. And let me show you guys the best part about my trips. See that? Airplane mode. That is the best part of my trip. So we're in Paris for we're leaving the day after tomorrow. Yeah. Usually we're in countries for, at most 3 days. When you're so used to your surroundings, you do get really, really tired of it and just kind of like, man, I need to get away. And business trips that just happen to be in my job, I think make it a little bit better and make me a little bit more sane. Don't be afraid to take vacations. Vacations are awesome. What is this? Sorry, ADD. One thing that is so great is that a lot of countries actually speak English, and I did not know that. A lot better than I thought. I'm so thirsty. Okay, so we're in a hotel. What do we need to do? Get Wi-Fi. That's the first thing to do. Connection. Done. Let's Snapchat. I'm in France. Bonjour. What else to do? Why doesn't everybody just skateboard? Skateboarding is just so much more fun. More therapeutic thing. We're going here. This is my type of aisle. I have no idea what we're in this aisle. It's like cleaning products.
난 라면이 먹고 싶어.
He wants ramen. Out of all things, he wants ramen. Is that manager? That must be manager over there. Buy for me. Manager, buy for me. And this too. Hydration. Yes. Yeah, I'm evil. Whoever hates dried fruit, you're crazy. dried mangoes. I'm actually allergic to mangoes. I can eat it. If I touch it with like my skin, like here, or like whatever, there's a rash that just, you know. So when I eat this, I have to be like 10 times extra careful. But I love mangoes so much. Fun fact.
이거 워터 파인애플이야?
아니야, 이거 Ranting Monkey라고. It's where I rant about stupid stuff. Crystal, come on. Give it to me in the camera. We have some time. This elevator hates me. What? Oh, 혼잣말 해야 돼. It's called Ranting Monkey. You rant. Luna, how was rehearsal?
Huh?
How was rehearsal?
Oh, really good.
Really
Yeah.
good. She was sexy.
I'm so sexy.
No, you're not. I'm sexy.
I am. I am. 자, 크리스탈 이제 음절 나온다. I am.
You have to be more like
Yeah.
calm. I am.
I am.
No.
am.
Less. I am. Wait, what am I?
뭐
What am I?
Oh!
Closet pervert. Closet pervert.
Closet pervert.
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 약간 속으로.
그게 더 변태다?
Do you have a rubber band?
No, I do not. I have a watch.
I thought this was a rubber band. Look at my forehead, it's so cute.
It's cute.
I know.
Shooting.
아니 근데 이것도 그렇고 너무 뮤비인데 초생얼들이야 지금.
It's okay. Yo, we are natural beauties.
Natural beauty.
Flaunt it. 하나.
Gorgeous.
yeah.
Gorgeous, yes.
Gosh, like God.
야, 수저 들어와.
다 왔어.
아, 신나.
Where do you go? Let's get out of here. I'm alone in the car. I came too early. Well, technically, I came on time downstairs. And here is Luna.
Amber and me. Hi.
It's like 11. What time is it right now? Oh, you're taking the shit. It's 11:30. The show's at like 8. 8, 맞죠? And there's already fans outside. They must be tired. Oh my gosh. The awkward elevator ride. Rehearsal again. Fighting. 아 추워. I'm Krista. 추워. Right, Krista? 추워.
What is her show?
This is Key. Oh my gosh, she's so like fabulous.
I'm always fabulous.
You're always fabulous, Key. Like,
Is this kind of naked show or something?
no, this is just.
Can I take all my clothes off?
Oh yeah, you can, of course.
Right
Key's
now?
freaky.
야, 찍어줄게.
주인공이 너무 약한 것 같아요.
Shut up. I'm in France. I have to eat bread.
이것만 1시간에 찍는 거야. 빵 먹는 영상만.
그럴까요? I transformed. Oh, 경이.
Hello, my
Say.
name's Kyung.
This is Kyung.
Guapi.
He's so cool.
Yeah,
He's hot, right? Are you hot? Yeah, he's sexy. Sexy boy.
I'm freaking hot.
You're freaking hot, yeah. See you later.
Yes, yes.
Bye.
高考胜利，愿你们成功。
발음 진짜 좋았어.
우리 멤버들 다 중국어 잘하잖아요. 어느 정도. 저 빼고 다 잘하죠.
둘은 빼고 다 잘해.
Luna, how's your English?
What?
How's your English?
I don't speak English.
Let it go.
Let it go.
정확한 let it go의 뜻이 뭐야?
Let it go. 놔.
놔.
놔버려. It's a short time. Yay, it's done. We're all done. I don't want it to end. I don't want to leave. In a couple hours, gotta go to the airport, back to Korea. It's always great to see the fans, dude. Fans are always great, as always. It motivates me more to do my job. So maybe I'll see you guys in Korea. Peace. Goodbye.